Are you ready to unlock the secrets to healthy and delicious aging? Look no further. We've got 21 expert-approved recipes that will keep you feeling fantastic as you age. Welcome back to our channel, where we're passionate about helping you live your healthiest and best life. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy aging. And what's the best way to support healthy aging? You guessed it, right, proper nutrition. We all know that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It can be flavorful, exciting, and oh so satisfying. That's why we've curated a list of recipes that are not only good for you, but also absolutely delicious. Wild salmon and Romanesco pilaf. Our first recipe is a celebration of flavors and health benefits. This dish is a beautiful blend of nutrients. The star of the show is wild salmon, a superfood packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. These little gems are known for fighting inflammation, boosting brain health, and keeping your heart in tip-top shape. But that's not all. We're adding a touch of elegance and nutrition with Romanesco broccoli. This unique vegetable provides an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and its distinct shape and vibrant color make it a feast for the eyes and a delight for the taste buds. And here's a little secret. Romanesco broccoli is easier to digest than regular broccoli, making it a perfect addition for those who want to support healthy digestion as they age. Weeknight vegetarian chili. Looking for a hearty, wholesome meal that's packed with plant-powered protein? Look no further than our weeknight vegetarian chili. This chili is a blend of beans, vegetables, and spices that will warm your soul and nourish your body. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them a fantastic choice for healthy aging. Plus, they help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and promote a feeling of fullness. But the goodness doesn't stop there. This chili is also loaded with fiber-rich vegetables that support digestion and help you feel great from the inside out. And that's just the beginning. There's so much more to discover in our collection of 21 healthy recipes for a better life. Join us on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling healthier and more energetic than ever before. Do you want to forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your favorite recipes with us in the comments below? And for more health tips and recipe inspiration, visit our channel. Remember, aging is inevitable, but that shouldn't stop you from living life to the fullest. Embrace healthy aging with open arms and a positive heart, because healthy aging isn't just about numbers. It's about feeling fantastic, staying active, and enjoying every moment of your life. So let's raise a glass to healthy aging and to living a life that's vibrant, delicious, and full of flavor. Cheers.